Hello, my name is Aidana.
I'm Lola.
I'm Nora.
And we are
Anthropologists.
In this video, we want to tell you why we love studying anthropology at Nazarbayev University.
Simply defined, anthropology is the study of humans, but when I talk about it to other people, they always assume that it's just archaeology.
And they usually say something about like dinosaurs, or they call us Lara Croft, but really there's so much more to it than that. It's important to remember that anthropology is just as social as it is scientific.
Even though there are unlimited number of possible fields in anthropology, in this video we are going to focus on four main fields in anthropology, which are sociocultural anthropology, linguistic anthropology, biological anthropology, and archaeology.
Biological anthropology is the study of hominin extinct ancestors and primates from an evolutionary perspective. For example, in Reed Coyle's class, bioanthropology, we studied that all humans' mitochondrial DNA can be traced back to one woman who lived in Africa over 100,000 and 200,000 years ago.
Yeah, and if you don't know what mitochondrial DNA means, it basically refers to where your ancestors, maternal ancestors came from and whom you are related to in your maternal line.
I just want to clarify though, it's not as though this woman was the first female Homo sapien, but it's the fact that other female lineages were cut off because they no longer had any female offspring, so the mitochondrial DNA came to a dead end. Basically, everybody alive today is related to this one single person, and I mean, come on, that's pretty insane, right?
True.
Okay. Moving on, the second branch is cultural anthropology, and it is about diversity in human societies and how that one normal cannot be or might not be normal in other places due to factors such as celebrations, differences in celebrations,
Trading,
Choosing
behavior,
partners.
mannerisms, and burial practices.
For example, as I learned in Professor Remy Moore's course, Toraja people in Indonesia, they, instead of burying their dead immediately, they keep mummified deceased bodies of their relatives in their homes and traditionally ask them to join for lunch on a daily basis. Yeah, and even after burial, they exhume them to clean them and to take care of them.
that's amazing. I mean, it's
Kind of.
it's not normal for us, but you know, each to their own.
Yeah.
Okay, well, moving on to the next branch is archaeology. So basically, archaeology is the study of material culture, things that are left behind. In our courses, in our classes at school, we have, we basically critically analyze the discoveries of other archaeologists, but a special offer here is that we have Professor Paula Dupuy, who gives us the opportunity to do actual archaeological excavations. So not only is this incredibly interesting, an opportunity to learn a lot, an amazing life experience in itself, but it's also very important work because we are the ones who are helping to better understand the people of the past who used to roam the Central Asian steppe. Furthermore, after these excavations are done, there are volunteers and research internship opportunities to work in the laboratory like we've all done, where we actually decipher the material that was found, such as tools, bones, pottery, and then we have to compile this data so it's able to be created into a study in itself.
Yeah.
And last but not least is the linguistic anthropology, where we learn how language influences our social life. For example, in one of our professors at Nazarbayev University, Erica Albert, studies dating way of speaking, like dating
online.
Yeah, in Japan. And basically she tries to answer a number of questions such as what is the role of talk in creating emotions, forging social bonds, and creating and sustaining desire? Basically, in linguistic anthropology, we intertwine language with human experience.
So,
That's pretty amazing.
yeah, most importantly, like the most valuable thing that anthropology teaches us is to be better humans by being more accepting, more understanding of diverse ways of lives. And we all can say that it helped us to grow not only academically but also personally.
Yeah, can vouch for that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for listening, and hope you consider choosing anthropology at NU.
And join us.
Woo!